Hey guys, what's going on? So in today's video, we're going to be repairing a 700 series Shark Ion robot. Now don't get confused when I say 700 series. When I say 700 series, it's going to be a 700s and 725s and some 750s. This is a 750 with no underslash. The way to tell the 700 series old school, so these are, it's kind of difficult to keep track. So this is a 750, but they also made a 750. I don't have one in here, but this is an 850, but they also made 750s with removable wheels on the bottom. The best way to tell if you have a new style or an old style robot is going to be the yellow. So if it has yellow on the bottom, you have an old school 700, 725, or 750. And if you have the removable wheels or black, you're going to have the 700, 725, 750 underscore N or the 850s. So in this video, we're going to see what's wrong with this robot, and we're going to go ahead and repair it. I'm also going to do a full teardown video of this robot, and I'll leave the link in the description below. Okay, so now that we have that out of the way, let's see what's wrong with this robot. So let's go ahead and turn it on, and let's see what it does. So it's only want to make a left turn. Acting like it's in spot mode. Let's wait for the error to pop up. Even though it's sensing the clear, it should still be working. So I only want to make a left turn. There it goes. It's going all the way around. Now I feel like tearing my paper up. Got a little torque on it. Yep. Okay. This is gonna be a spot clean error. So with this one, the spot clean will pop up. Let me go ahead and drop them on the floor. All right, here we have it. That way y'all can see it better, see what it does. Yep, just as I thought. All right, so we got the spot clean error. All right, so let's go ahead and turn it off. For this error, it's probably going to be a stuck wheel. So it was going left. So let's see. Wait, left will be this one. So right will spin. Left is. Alright, as you can see, this wheel is binding up pretty bad. See if we can get some telltale signs of what's going on. Yep, right there, dog hair. So there's a good chance that this robot's going to have dog hair lodged in its wheel. So let's get started. So first thing we're going to do, move the faceplate, pretty dirty. Remove the roller brush. Remove the bin. Pop off both brush spinners. I'm going to come around the other side of the camera. We'll grab... Oh, and happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Phillips head. Oh, yeah, it's full of dog hair in here. Remove the battery. This is a regular 700 battery, which comes in most of them, but the charging adapter is different, just heads up. Let me grab. Alright. So if you watched any of my videos before, you're gonna know you're gonna need a long shaft Torx bit set. You're gonna need T8, T9, T15, T20, T25, depending on the robot you're using. It's been a long time since I had to repair a 700 series, so excuse my thinking while I do this. Drop those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. A bunch of dog hair. I'm also gonna have one right here. Alright. We're gonna need to get, what's this, T9. If I remember correctly, this one actually takes like a T7. It's super tiny. What is this? T6. So you only have T6 for the bumper on these. Don't have to remove the front wheel. It's optional if you want to clean it out. Go ahead and pop the wheel out with a flat head. Hopefully my video doesn't cut off. I've been having problems with it wanting to do long videos. Now if you can get screwdriver shaft, drill shaft Torx, it makes this job a lot easier. Or you can do what I did. I broke the handle off of my Torx bit and I just put it in the drill. I only did that on the main one, which is this one for the main bolts, which I think it's a T15. I can't remember off the top of my head. You know, I think with all these robots I do, I remember, but I just keep it in there so I never have to use it. All right, now that we removed all those, you're gonna pull up, pry this bottom plate off, and slide down the face. There is a sensor cable connected at the front. Get your flathead in there and pop it out very gently. Oh yeah, this thing's nice and dusty and dirty. All right, so we have proximity switches right here. We have the metal prongs that keep it away from those. And now we can remove the plate since we removed all that, and holy cow, the dust. All right, let me check and make sure the video is still rolling for y'all. And it is. We're gonna go ahead and hit, all right. I just redid it. All right, so over here, we have a right wheel and a left wheel. Flip it around for y'all. Left, right. And the right wheel is the one that's giving us problems. The left wheel is turning fine. So let's go ahead and remove that right wheel. Let's go ahead and Phillips head. Go ahead and remove the cables around it. So the blue and green wire will stay with the proximity switch on top of it, but this ribbon cable will come out because it is the power for that wheel. Okay, so we got 1, 2 Phillips heads right there, and a third back here. Go ahead and remove that nice and gently. Wow, look at all the dust in there. Let me see if y'all can see that. Holy cow. It's pretty bad. And people wonder why the robots quit working. Here's the culprit right here. As you can see, it doesn't spin nowhere near as free as the other one. So let's go ahead and dissect it really quick. We're gonna take a flathead or any kind of screwdriver, push on the pin closest to that, closest to your connector. Grab some needle nose pliers, side cutters, whatever you got. Firm grip. And trust me, it's not going to be easy. Things like to get stuck in there. Pull it out. A little rotating motion will help. Get that pin out. Go ahead and pop your spring off. So you can take and pop your spring off, or I'll just wait until I get the wheel out. Oh wow, look at all that hair in there. Wow, that's nasty. Why do people let this happen? Okay, so I'm gonna say this is gonna be pretty dirty on the inside. All right, now we need a T8 for the 3 on here. Oh, make sure your air compressor is ready to go too. You might need that. Tap. And this is looks like it's been repacked with grease, so it's full of grease, that's for sure. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and remove all of our gears out of here, and then I don't have. This gear, you pop it out like that, and then there's a little, there is a snap ring right in there. Let me show y'all better. There's a snap ring right there that you gotta remove. So give me 1 second, I'm gonna find some snap ring pliers and pop it out. On second thought, there's no point in me wasting my time on doing that. I can just show y'all. This spins free. Those gears are spinning free, but it's somewhere in the gear reduction. So once you add that one, obviously it spins fine. Then we're gonna add this one. Spins fine. Take that one out, put this one in. It still spins fine. We're gonna add this one, and that's where the problem lies. So we can examine this gear. Gear looks fine, so let's go ahead and try to spin this. And there's where the problem is. It's the motor itself. So let's see if I have a spare motor. Well, unfortunately, I do not have a spare motor for this. It sucks. I was hoping to show y'all how to get it working, but y'all get a lot of good info out of this video anyway. We can try taking this and cleaning it, but it's probably pretty caked with hair and debris from years of being in there. Let's go ahead and remove this gear. Yeah, it just feels like the bearings are pretty bad on it. I don't know if y'all can hear that grinding noise or not. Well, if nothing else, guys, this isn't a complete failure. We know what the problem with this video is. This one's got a bad wheel. I just lost that gear. Get out of there. There we go. So we know that this one has a bad, wow, look at all that hair. We have a bad wheel, and it's gonna be a pretty simple fix when we get the part. I keep dropping stuff. But regardless, guys, so this is one I couldn't fix just because I don't have parts. So this is a fail on my end. I need to start keeping a few extra parts around for videos like this. Oh man, these pins do pop out, by the way. So if they pop out, don't freak out. You can push the pins back in. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm not sure what I'm gonna label this video since it was a fail. I'll probably do a "Can we fix it" video, and just to explain to you what you just seen, how to work on it, how to fix it, things like that. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you clean your robot out from time to time. It will really save you a lot of headache.